Danke bafethu. So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-champions we-South African football noma ama-champions we-Betway Premiership yabo, Mamelodi Sundowns. Ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns they will still dominate, bazodominate for isikhathi eside because babuilde i-structure ne-winning mentality strong. Yes, they've got the money yokuthi basayine ama-proper players, good players, but-ke abaqali kuba nemali manje Mamelodi Sundowns. Kudala banemali, baneminyaka banemali. Since 2004 Patrice Motsepe emethenga i-team wa-investor heavy ku-Mamelodi Sundowns, but guess what? Into esustain i-team nanokuthi be on top i-pedigree yabo, nanokuthi babhalansa kanjani i-team, ama-senior players even nama-youngsters akhona, ama-new signings, because e-teamini isikhathi esiningi ungaba nama-superstars, ungaba nama-players agood, ungawasayina ama-world class players, but if awakwazi ukujela amongst themselves, awakwazi ukuba i-clue, awakwazi ukusebenza as a team, wonke umuntu individually, wonke umuntu ufuna ukuba i-standout star. Into esiyibona kwamanye ama-team into eshaya lesi-Kaizer Chiefs, maybe Orlando Pirates, they're able to sign players like good players, but kune-division ethimini yabo. Ngihlezi ngirefera to istory sakaThembi Nkosi-Lorch ukuthi yena bekakhosa i-division nabo hot, ukuthi abantu bathanda uhoto, yabona izinto ezinjalo. So kuhlezi kuba nezikwad or ama-teams lapho ethimini abawabuildayo ngobungani, ukuthi usibani singamdlalisi, usibani simcindezele. Recently iplayer le-Orlando Pirates noma iplayer like ladlala le-Orlando Pirates uNgobeni bekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ngasikhathi adlala ku-Orlando Pirates yena no-Opa Manyisa, u-Andile Jali ahlala ebhentshini, abantu bebamcindezela bafuna ukuthi kudlale u-Andile Jali, but i-performance yakhe uNgobeni at the time beyi-bet yabo. So kuwo wonke ama-team iyi-problem. Kaizer Chiefs mawubheka ikhona i-division noma singayazi thina, but ikhona into e-wrong nge-team yabo, ukuthi ama-players they're not fighting for the team bonke as a collective, they're not willing to die for one another. Ubona nje bachithelana izandla if like kunenkinga yabo. Mamelodi Sundowns, they're signing the players, yes, but ama-players kumele ajoyine i-winning team, kumele alwe, wonke umuntu odlalela iMamelodi Sundowns kumele alwe ngempela ukuthi athole i-opportunity ukuthi adlale yabo. Akekho umuntu odlaliswa ngama-favor. Yes, maybe ilabo-ke abo-Sales, but no-Sales uziprovile. Yes, bekadlaliswa nge-favor ukuthi I'm signing a 63 million rands, but guess what? Bekumele pick up i-performance yakhe. Beka ama-goals awashayile this season, ama-assist awashayile. Kuyabonisa lokho ukuthi okay, as much as like i-season yakhe ingaqalanga kahle, but i-team bayasupportana bona i-teamini. And iMamelodi Sundowns into edominate ngayo ukuthi babuilde i-structure, i-winning mentality. Yabo, uma uzojoina iMamelodi Sundowns yazi ukuthi kudlalelwa CAF Champions League noma behluleka kuyiwina, but njalo bahlezi baneplan ukuthi siyela ku-CAF kuyoyiwina. They fall short every year, but-ke that's the main goal, ukuthi siyayifuna lelo, siyayifuna i-CAF Champions League. I-league-ke eyabo vele. Ebholeni lase-South Africa ayikho i-team ezocompete neMamelodi Sundowns ngempela, because they've built this thing for so many years. So mawubheka amanye ama-team, uzobheka i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, yes bathanda ama-players amaningi nabo every season, but guess what? Winning mentality emaplayeni. Ngi-new player ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ubheka iplayer elifana noLokhunjana ne-striker lesabasayinile saseCongo Lilepo, new player, but ufike ngoJanuary, but already sekayi-top goal scorer yathi le season lesibuya kuyo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, okuvezayo noma okuchazayo ukuthi no man, there's something wrong ethimini yabo. Ngeke iplayer lifike ngoJanuary libe yi-top goal scorer, kusho ukuthi they're not able to score goals, they're not able to play as a unity, as a team, balwelane, abanayo futhi i-proven goal scorer, banawo ama-player but bashayisa le baphinde bashayise le yabo. So iMamelodi Sundowns bona they've solidified themselves as South African dominating team yabo, the best team in South Africa in terms of football. Even ibhola badlala inside the field of play li-attractive. Why? Badlala as a team. Nalohlele ebhentshini uyazi ukuthi mangithola i-chance kumele ngilwe, otherwise ngeke ngisadlala yabo. So i-good healthy challenge, yes siyohlezi sicomplaina ngendaba yokuthi bona banemali kakhulu, abamandi ukuspenda let's say 50 million for ama-player 2. For example, uma ungabheka u-Adams bamsayinile laphana nge-23 million manje ngoJanuary, transfer window yangoJanuary, but still basafuna noBasadeni, ba-ede no-Reynas season mayiqala. So uma ubheka overall iMamelodi Sundowns highly competitive. Ama-teams ngeke a-catch up to iMamelodi Sundowns, because iMamelodi Sundowns i-investor kakhulu ukuthi bona babheke i-Champions League, babheke i-FIFA Club World Cup, and then lawo ma-teams lawo badlala nawo kumele babe nemali ngempela, maybe isikhwama sabo sibe strong, so bakhompyutha nama-teams a-international, abakhompyuthi nama-teams a-local. But-ke lento le ishaya ama-teams wa-local ukuthi okay, because iMamelodi Sundowns i-investor heavy kwi-international football, nanokuthi ikhompyuthe laphana ku-African football, continental football naku-world football, leyo nto le ibulala i-PSL ngoba i-competition ayikho strong that much yabo ethimini noma kuma-teams yabo. So even ama-big 3 or big 2 lawa amanye lama-teams waseSoweto kunzima ukuthi akhompethe neMamelodi Sundowns. Why? competitive football abayidlali njengemamelodi Sundowns. Yes, this season sibonile Orlando Pirates iya ku-CAF Champions League laphana, but guess what, because isize yesquad ngempela efana nemamelodi Sundowns abanayo yabo. Ama-players abe-injured, abanye mebangadlali bebanganayo iplan yokuthi mebangadlala close to 50 games a season or more than 50 games esizini yabo. So yinto ebashayile kakhulu manje imamelodi Sundowns sene-experience kakhulu yokudlala international, yokudlala ku-CAF Champions League. Iyazi ukuthi a season kumele ngempela ibe nama-player close to boma-40 players. Azi ukuthi okay bani bangalimala ama-players ayi-4 agood, uThemba Zwane bakwazile ukumreplace noma elimele yabo. They still got the results even without uThemba Zwane. Orlando Pirates makungalese kulimala uRelem Mofokeng bazomreplace ngobani uRelem Mofokeng, because abanalo iplayer elisebhenjini eli-equally talented noRelem Mofokeng. Maybe talent lingaba khona, but i-dedication, the passion of the game, that's the difference between Mamelodi Sundowns namanye ama-teams waku-PSL. Ukuthi stand out as a team, you have to invest. But yes, iMamelodi Sundowns i-investa heavy, and lokho kubulala amanye ama-teams, kubulala ibhola lase-South Africa. But bona masiyibhalansi indaba yabo, ba-investa to i-international football le abayidlalayo namanye ama-team. If they're gonna play iZamalek, if they're gonna play Al-Ahly, if they're gonna play manje iDortmund, kumele babe nesquad esingakanani bafethu, nemele ba-invest imali engakanani ukuthi nabo babe ku-same level, same competition. Noma bangeke babe ku-same level nama-European teams, but u-Al-Ahly mawubheka, i-Al-Ahly vele yathatha ucoach we-Orlando Pirates bafethu easy, because bam-offer imali naye angakaze ayibone yabo. So imali azoyihola kuloku Al-Ahly, lo coach lo usuka ku-Orlando Pirates, imali in 2 seasons engakwazi ukuthenga i-status se-team yase-South Africa. So singayibhesha iMamelodi Sundowns i-attack leyo isi-attack ngakhona bafethu, but the truth of the matter is that they are investing ukuthi badlale international football. Unfortunately lokho kubulala ibhola la-local, ukuthi amanye ama-teams angakwazi ukukhompyutha nabo, angakwazi ukuba competitive nabo, angakwazi ukumelana nabo pound to pound, because it's more than just a game for bona yabo. It's about winning, and banayo-ke imali yokuflex ama-muscles wabo ukuthi look my brothers, so compete and solo ngempela, sozama with everything we've got ukuthi sikwazi ngempela ukuthola ama-results. And sofuna ukukhompyutha nama-teams wako-Egypt, siyafuna ukukhompyutha nama-teams wako-North Africa, abo-Esperance, siyafuna ukukhompyutha nawo wonke ama-teams akhona around. Ngeke sizilimithe to ibhola lase-South Africa kuphela, sozibeka nathi ku-level ya-Al-Ahly, because siyafuna ukuyishaya i-Al-Ahly madlala nayo. So ishaya kanjani if asinazo isquad esi-strong, isize isquad esi-strong, if asinawo ama-international players, if asinawo ama-players ake adlala e-Europe? Yes, kuyalibulala ibhola, because lidominator i-team eyi-1, i-local football, especially i-league, ngoba yinde ngempela i-league yabo. But bona singaba-blame ukuba-blame njengoba bengishilo bafethu, but ihlo labo lile phezulu e-Afrika yabo. E-Afrika ngeke babe nesquad inyana nje, e-Afrika kumele baye all out, ingakho kumele bathenge. I think mina ngiya-understand ukuthi basayina ama-players we-20 million yabo, but le 63 million kasale sayi-1. But it is what it is man, ngoba bakhompyutha nama-teams a-investa kakhulu ngempela yabo. Kufana masibheka like abantu mabakhuluma nge-Al-Ahly bakhuluma ngey'mali ezi-serious ngempela, like makufuna i-player ubheke imali uPercy beyihola ku-Al-Ahly yabo. Kusho ukuthi ubheke nje isize yesquad abanayo ney'mali abazikhiphayo. I-player malifuna ya-Al-Ahly liyahamba immediately yabo, cause imali iningi kakhulu ku-Al-Ahly, you understand. So iMamelodi Sundowns ikhompyutha na very same Al-Ahly lekhipha iy'mali ey'shisiwe yabo. Danko bafethu. Okhala ngokuthi akaka-check in.